और आगे बढ़ लेते हैं। सीएनएन की एक विशेष रिपोर्ट में कहा गया है कि अमेरिकी अधिकारियों को ईरान द्वारा ट्रंप की हत्या की साजिश के बारे में खुफिया जानकारी मिली थी। हालांकि ईरान ने इन आरोपों से इनकार किया और इन्हें दुर्भावनापूर्ण और झूठा बताया। देखिए रिपोर्ट।
4 years since the commander of Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps was killed by United States on the 3rd of January, Qasem Soleimani is back in news. An exclusive report by CNN has revealed that American authorities were provided intelligence on a plot by Iran to assassinate Donald Trump, much before the day Trump survived the assassination bid, with no indication though of whether Thomas Matthew Crooks was connected to this plot. This, according to the report, was a development that led the Secret Service to increase security around the former president. Clearly, as we now know, that did not work. But why Iran? Since Soleimani was killed by the United States, Iran has repeatedly vowed revenge. In fact, former officials of the Trump administration who worked on national security at that time have been provided tight security since leaving the government. In August 2022, the Justice Department announced criminal charges against a member of the Revolutionary Guards for allegedly trying to orchestrate the assassination of John Bolton, who served as Trump's national security advisor. Sources also suggest that former Secretary of State Mike Pompeo was a target of an Iranian assassination plot. Trump's former national security advisor, Robert O'Brien, also had a US government security detail due to threats from Iran, which was recently dropped. While the report accuses Iran of conspiracy, Iran's permanent mission to the United Nations has denied any involvement. It stated, "These accusations are unsubstantiated and malicious. From the perspective of the Islamic Republic of Iran, Trump is a criminal who must be prosecuted for ordering the assassination of General Soleimani. Iran has chosen the legal path to bring him to justice." Whether the world will ever know the truth is a wait-and-watch game. But the cracks within the US-Iran relationship are only expected to deepen with these latest allegations.